Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make some easy acrylic keychains. These are just a fun little thing you can do with your Cricut Maker if you have the engraving tip. And these are just some cheap blanks that I got off Amazon. I got a whole set of 50 for very little money. So I'm going to use these for keychains and also going to make some to hang off fruit trees to identify them. So here's a list of the supplies you'll need, and we'll get into the tutorial.
So your first step is really just to remove the protective film from both sides of your acrylic blank. It looks weird and it'll interfere with the engraving a little bit if you leave them on. Place your blank on your mat. You want to use a strong grip mat, and I used duct tape to hold down all four sides of my blank so that it won't shift during the engraving process. Because our blank is a bit on the thick side, you want to move the roller balls all the way to the right or they will interfere with the engraving process. Once you get your design ready and resized, go ahead and click it and click Engrave for the operation. It's probably automatically set to cutting. So you want to go ahead and resize it so that it's smaller than your blank, and click Make It. Once you click Make It, you can select 2 millimeters acrylic for your material. Go ahead and adjust the placement of the design on your mat. You can do that in edit mode once you click Make It, and you want that to line up with where you placed your blank on the mat. So you're going to want to change out your blades, remove your regular blade and put it somewhere safe, and just place your engraving blade in just like this and snap the housing closed. Once everything is set up and you've loaded your mat into your machine, you can hit the blinking Cricut button and it will do all of the work. It's pretty cool to watch. The process tends to obviously leave behind some bits of plastic or acrylic from the etching or the engraving process. So just go ahead and use a lint roller and it'll kind of clear it right off your design. This ended up being a quick and easy project that was kind of fun, and I have a lot of extra blanks, so I plan to use some of these to label fruit trees so that I can keep track of which varieties are where. If you know anything about gardening, that makes sense, but otherwise it might not. But overall, just super easy. Cricut did most of the work for me, and that's my favorite type of project. Make sure to check out my blog, DIYDanielle.com, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. Take care.